Welcome to Nextgen World, your ultimate destination for everything future tech, defense innovation, and next-generation military advancements. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the latest updates on cutting-edge technology shaping tomorrow's battlefield. In today's video, we dive deep into one of the most anticipated military unveilings of 2026, the official introduction of the US MQ-9B SkyGuardian drones. This next-generation drone marks a revolutionary leap forward in autonomous aerial warfare, combining intelligence, precision, and endurance like never before. The MQ-9B SkyGuardian, developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, is the evolved variant of the iconic MQ-9 Reaper. But this new model takes things to an entirely new level. It's designed not just for combat, but also for surveillance, reconnaissance, and homeland security missions. What sets it apart is its unmatched endurance, capable of flying over 40 hours non-stop, covering vast regions with pinpoint accuracy. One of the major upgrades in the 2026 model is its full compliance with NATO and international airspace safety standards, meaning the SkyGuardian can now operate seamlessly in both military and civilian-controlled skies. This integration opens the door for multi-domain operations, where drones can work alongside manned aircraft without risk of collision or communication errors. The MQ-9B is powered by a state-of-the-art Honeywell turboprop engine that allows it to reach altitudes of over 40,000 feet. It carries a sophisticated payload that includes advanced radar, electro-optical systems, laser designators, and high-definition sensors for day and night operations. Its modular design enables rapid reconfiguration for a wide range of missions, from maritime patrol and anti-submarine warfare to border surveillance and precision strikes. What truly defines the SkyGuardian is its artificial intelligence-assisted flight system. This AI integration allows the drone to make real-time decisions, adapt to threats, and optimize mission routes without constant human input. It's not just remotely piloted, it's intelligently guided. The drone's stealthy radar cross-section and communication encryption make it incredibly hard to detect or jam. And with its new satellite-controlled command system, it can operate from anywhere on Earth with minimal delay. This makes it one of the most flexible and secure UAVs ever developed by the US military. The unveiling in 2026 marks a major milestone in drone warfare technology. Experts believe that the MQ-9B SkyGuardian will set the new global standard for unmanned aerial dominance, paving the way for even more autonomous systems in the coming decade. With partnerships already announced between the US, UK, Japan, and India, the SkyGuardian is not just an American asset, it's a global force for defense cooperation and strategic deterrence. That's all for today's deep dive into the future of aerial warfare. If you enjoyed learning about the MQ-9B SkyGuardian and want to explore more next-generation military tech, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. You're watching Nextgen World, where the future begins today.